Hey guys, Dave with Auto Glass Helpline here. Today we are doing a windshield pull and reseal on a Ford Transit Connect. This is one of their recalls. I've got the tape up there. I have already cut the windshield loose using WRD orange bat with wire. There's a video down in my library addressing that. You can use wire with it, though it is not a WRD recommended process. That said, I did get permission from WRD to post that video, and it is a viable option. Just know that it is not recommended, and make sure you watch that video and read the description. That being said, we're going to lift this windshield out using our WRD PRO6 Install System and showing that we can lift this out solo as well without breaking or cracking the glass, as long as there's no damage to it, which there isn't. This one's already been inspected. So going to get our PRO6 install set up and get this lifted out. So if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I use 2 cups on the passenger side rather than the single cup and the extension bar. And then our WRD PRO6 install system. This can be a little awkward getting used to it, as far as it being a little bit backwards when you set it up, but once you get the hang of it, it's not quite so bad. So rather than measure from the top of the glass, we're measuring from the bottom of the matrix, just because this windshield is a little bit taller and it gives us a better balance point. And then you are simply going to lift the glass, pull your tape up here, and you are going to lift the glass up and slide this underneath, and then mount your cup to the windshield, or mount your cup to the door glass here. Pull your tape from the other side, give this a lift, make sure you're clear of the hood, and that is how you can solo lift out a glass for reseal without breaking it. And then just leave everything as is, get everything trimmed, cleaned up, re-glue, and you don't have to reset your system to reset your glass. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.